Alright, so I'm going to go over the CSV file in more detail here so that everyone knows exactly how it should be filled out for your use in making posts on the marketplace with the software. The first thing I want to go over with this is the categories. So we've got up to 4 categories that can be listed. And this exact example document with example fill data can be found inside the updates.zip. So we've got first category, which is when you click this, one of these categories that show up, let me go back to the beginning, one of these categories is going to be what you're going to list there. So for example, we see here I've got sporting goods because this is for a fishing reel and rod. So sporting goods, exactly how it's shown here, is what goes here. Case size and everything. So once it clicks sporting goods, I'm then going to want outdoor recreation for this purpose. So we see here, this is exactly how it shows here, so it knows what to click. Same thing for your third category. I'm going to end up using fishing. And if there's a fourth item here, you're going to want to fill that in. And I used fishing equipment right here. Some of them may not have a third or fourth category. Some of them might not have a second, third, or fourth category. However many categories down it has you selecting, you should be filling in within your template. If it does not have a fourth category, just simply remove it. Some of you do not have shipping options. That does not mean remove the columns from the CSV. Leave them here, just remove the values. Same thing for the rate. If shipping is not available, you remove the values. Brand, you can leave this blank. It's optional in here. Brand does not need to be set. Condition, new, used, space, dash, space, like, space, new. How it shows is exactly how you should list it in here for condition. Everything in this is case sensitive. So how you see it is how it should be typed. Quantity of the item goes here in this last column. Your tags, if you have any, those are optional, but you can list up to 20 of them, comma separated. When it comes to shipping type, I will get to that in a second for those who do have shipping options. Path to your images. It will select up to the number of images you set here from a folder. So for instance, if I selected a folder and I go to pictures and I go to this boat, I'm going to select this folder path up here, and that's what's going to get inserted here for path to folder of images, and then set the number of images you want to randomly select from that folder. What you're selling in description goes here, the price of the item, and so forth. So what I want to do is just go into the shipping for those who have shipping. We just select down some categories here. Sporting goods, outdoor, fishing, rate numbers. Okay. New, brand, description, tags. Make sure I've got everything selected. Select an image. Images must be present, at least one. Click next. This here is where it'll set the location. It'll remove this. Now, for instance, if I just typed in Detroit, we want to be specific here. So in your locations file, put it exactly how it would show up in here. Detroit, Michigan. This way it pulls your exact location that you want to use right here into the first area, and it will select it. Shipping options. Your delivery method right here, shipping and local pickup. Notice the case size here, lowercase l and p. For your shipping options here, shipping type, it should match exactly how it shows here. So shipping only, we can go ahead and put in here, shipping only. It's automatically going to select the use your own label so that the shipping rate will be used here. So what you place here for a shipping rate, it's going to fill in right here. Some of you do not have this right here for shipping. So location is actually on the first tab where all the other information is filled in. It'll check for it in both locations, and if the shipping area is not here, it's just going to skip it. Allow offers. It automatically clicks next on this if that's available. And in a future update, I'm going to have it to where you can list these group names, the exact group name, how it shows. And in a text file, it will automatically select a random number of groups for you, up to 20 of them, that it will list into those groups as well. So hopefully this has been educational for you, and if you do happen to have any questions, please let me know. But this should help clear things up with how to set up your CSV file for listing within the Facebook Marketplace. Thank you.